Hi guys, it's Chris Martin with Convicted Creations. I'm here with another fun recipe that I created in prison. I probably didn't create it, but I just made it a lot more fun. It's suckers. In prison, this is what we use. We take a Gillette razor, we pop it open, and if you're skilled enough kids at home, you can break it off with the handle to stay on it. Don't show mom and dad, they'll probably freak out. So then we're gonna take our saran wrap that we get on our Ladmo sandwiches that we get fed every day for lunch, since you don't get hot meals at lunch. And we're gonna lay it on our table and we're gonna cut out little plastic pieces, just like that. This is what we're gonna wrap our sucker in. Water cap, soda cap, the lids off of the bottle. Save them, use them as your mold. Set them right there, just like that. Then I take any candy. You can use Skittles, you can use peanuts, you can use whatever you like. And then the sticks are neat. These are Q-tips. We just peel the cotton off the top, put it in the lid, put the candy in the lid. It's really that simple. You get Jolly Ranchers off the store list. Basic, simple, any flavor you like, you can mix and match. And you just melt them. Put them in the microwave for about 45 seconds to a minute. You don't want to burn it. Sugar burns really quickly. The cool part about this one is another one that's really important with portion control. If you buy Jolly Ranchers for $2 and you want to sell them, just like we do in there, this is what the end product looks like. Take them around, sell them 4 for $1, 4 for a soup. I would invest my money into little businesses like this, show them how to do it and how to make money on it, and teach them kind of small enterprise in prison. It actually helped them and helped me. It kept my head on straight, you know, helping other people. And if you cook it too long, you'll cook a hole in the bottom, so don't do that. There we go. I want to be quick because the sugar melts really quickly. It's a fun way to make suckers though. You can put whatever you want into them. And you just take them, let them cool a little bit. You want them to shape. And you just shape it according to the plastic. And then we put them in the box and we sell them. 4 for $1. Every Saturday you'll see a kid walking through the aisles offering these. Another quick way to make little treats in prison, make money. It's a hustle, make a living, and a little extra diabetes on the side for you. It's always good. I want to thank you for joining me today on Convicted Creations, and always remember, haters make me famous.